Well, we design kitchens for hotels, restaurants, care homes, social clubs. We supply all the equipment, we do the installation, we do the after sales service, we also supply cutlery, crockery, utensils, pots, pans. We're basically a one-stop shop where we can supply any hotel or restaurant with absolutely everything. I first started working with Retigo, it'll be 10 years ago. 10 years past June, I think it was the first order that we had. We are at the moment the UK's longest serving distributor of Retigo ovens. I would say the Retigo ovens, in my opinion, are the best ovens in the marketplace today. Our first order was 3 20 grid combis, a couple of 623 combis, and that was the old model, which would have been the DA623, which would be 3 models ago. But yeah, we've enjoyed working with Retigo over the years. There's a number of key factors. Having visited the factory and having seen how the ovens are built, they pay a lot of attention to detail. They are built very, very well. The quality of the ovens, the evenness of the cooking of the ovens, the colour of the food when it comes out of the oven, it really is an easy oven to work with. When people come and see the oven, they see how easy it is to cook, we let them taste the end product, it sells itself. Our relationship with Retigo is very, very good. Their backup and support is first class.
Start a new menu next week, so fingers crossed that goes well and everything starts buzzing from there. It's more local kind of produce, but the new one that's coming in is using more homemade stuff instead of buying a lot of products in, because that's what a lot of customers want. Yeah, they're brilliant ovens. Once you start using them, you can do a lot more, and you get a lot more like even cooking through the ovens, which is better for our part. And you don't have to worry about like cold spots, hot spots, burning. And you also got windy as well, and timers like that too much, so you keep an eye on everything. I think it's just mere size of cooking. It is a busy hotel, especially for like we do a carving on Sunday. So like it cuts down the costs, especially with gas and electric costs, stuff like that. It's easy to work, and it's like any nugget can really like push a button and just get her going. So.
Retigo is fast becoming one of the most popular names in the UK. When I first sold them 10 years ago, chefs would say to me, what's that? Where's it made? How good is it? But once they've seen it, once they've tried it, they're actually telling each other how good it is.